Why do InDesign object states fail on export? Imagine creating a vibrant, interactive digital magazine in Adobe InDesign, and then finding some of your object states just don't show up when you export. That can be frustrating, but understanding why it happens can save you a lot of headaches. Let's explore the common reasons behind object states not working after export and how to fix them. First, InDesign's object states are meant to be used in formats that support interactivity, like Publish Online or EPUB. When you export to a PDF, especially a standard or static one, these states often don't carry over because PDF files have limited support for multi-state objects. They are mainly designed for simple buttons and basic interactivity, not complex state changes. So, if you're expecting your multi-state objects to switch states in a PDF, it might not happen. Another reason is the difference between how InDesign previews interactivity and how it appears after export. When you use the interactive preview panel in InDesign, everything works smoothly because it's rendering within the program. But once you export to a PDF, the viewer application like Adobe Acrobat might not support all the interactive features, causing your object states to stay static or not switch as intended. Button setup issues are also a common culprit. If your buttons controlling the object states aren't set up correctly, the interactivity will fail. For example, missing actions, incorrect target states, or settings like Go Back on Roll Off can interfere with how the object states behave after export. Sometimes, hidden settings or accidental misconfigurations can cause the states to revert or disappear unexpectedly. File corruption can also cause problems. If your InDesign document has corrupted pages, links, or elements, exporting might result in incomplete or failed rendering of object states. To fix this, try exporting smaller sections of your document or saving it as an InDesign markup language file and reopening it. This can clear out any hidden corruption. Animations and media added within multi-state objects can also cause export issues. If you have animations on the first state or media that loads in the object, they might not display correctly after export. This can make images or text within states fail to appear or animate properly. To avoid these issues, always test your multi-state objects in the interactive preview before exporting. Use formats like Publish Online or EPUB whenever possible, as they support these features better. Check your button actions carefully and make sure no conflicting settings are enabled. Export your document in smaller parts to identify problematic pages or elements. If you suspect file corruption, export as an InDesign markup language file and reopen it. Be cautious with complex animations on the first state and test their behavior thoroughly. Remember, if you're exporting to PDF, some interactive features may not be fully supported. Adjust your workflow accordingly to ensure your object states display correctly in your final document. Knowing these factors will help you create more reliable, interactive projects in Adobe InDesign and avoid surprises when exporting.